how to create ElevenLabs account. So if you want to create ElevenLabs account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply open up your browser and then you can search for ElevenLabs. Once you've searched, you can simply go for the first search, which is the ElevenLabs.io, and it will take you to the website. So from here, you can go for the upper right, which has that sign up option. Click on sign up and it will take you to the create account page. And from here, you can sign up with your Google, or you can also sign up with your email and password. So enter your email and then your password. Make sure to enter a strong password. Once you've entered, click on these boxes so that you agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. And then click on I am a human and click on sign up. And it says that they have sent you an email. So please click on the link to verify your email address. So open up your mail, your Gmail account, which you have just used to create your account. And here you will receive a verification link or a verification email. Click on verify email and click on close. And then you need to sign into your account. So enter your email and password, which you have just used, and then click on this arrow. And that's it. You have created your account. So you need to enter your name, and then you need to select an option. Where did you hear about ElevenLabs? And then click on next and choose the option which you are comfortable with. And then that's it. That's how you create your ElevenLabs account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.